Do you know many people are having trouble with controlling their HP Spectre x360 screen? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate power button. Find the power button on your HP Spectre x360, usually on the side or near the keyboard. Step 2. Press to wake. Press the power button once to wake or turn on your laptop if it's in sleep mode. Step 3. Initiate sleep mode. To turn off the screen temporarily, press the power button briefly with the laptop powered on. Step 4. Screen off. Wait for a few seconds as the laptop screen turns off in sleep mode. Step 5. Wake screen. Press the power button again to wake the screen from sleep mode, making it active again. By following these steps, you should be able to easily manage your screen's power. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.